Hi guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new course update or you can say certification update video for everyone. So freshers and experienced both can watch the video, and in this video I will show you how you can become a Microsoft certified data analyst. If you are a student, you want to become a data analyst, and also if you are experienced graduate working in another domain but you want to switch your domain into analytics, then you can apply for this course or you can enroll the course. So let's talk about the course and certification program first, and then I'll show you how you can enroll the certification and how you can get the certification from the Microsoft team. So first I will discuss like why you should go for data analytics and how to become a data analytics or you can say Microsoft certified data analytics. So here I have mentioned why data analytics. So there are three primary points which I have mentioned. So these are some valid reasons why you should pursue data analyst. Here the first point I have mentioned, trending in the job market. If you are following my channel or any other channel or any job updates as well, you can check that there are a lot of job opportunities in data analytics role in various company. So there is a lot of job openings available for you if you are a data analyst or if you are a Microsoft certified data analyst. Secondly, the average salary. So as a fresher, if you are a data analyst, you can expect at least 6 lakh per annum. It's the average salary based on Glassdoor. I have gained this salary. Maybe it can be more than 6 lakh or some company will provide you near to 6 lakh but less than 6 lakh. It can be 5 point something or 5 lakh per annum. Thirdly, any graduate can become a data analyst. If you want to become a developer or tester or data science engineer, then you should avail science in 11th and 12th, and after that you should complete BTech or BSc, right? But for data analyst, no requirements are there. If you have completed BCom, BA, BSc, any graduation, you can enroll for data analyst course, and any graduate can become a data analyst in future. So that will be the roadmap. So now why this certification? Like there are a lot of certification available in data analytics. Now why I am making the video of this particular certification? Let's discuss about it. First, it will be a Microsoft provided certification. So whenever you will display the certificate to anyone, any recruiter, you will get additional value because it will be a Microsoft provided certification. Secondly, it will be free of cost. No need to pay anything to get the certification. You just need to cover all the courses and you need to pass one exam to get the certification. Third one is share in job portals to get more job opportunities in data analytics domain. If you have LinkedIn, Naukri, Indeed profile, you are seeking for data analytics job but not getting any opportunity, you can attach the certification in your profile, and after that you can get more calls from the recruiters in data analytics role. Now here I have added the link. Click here to enroll the course and I will directly go to the portal and show you how you can enroll the course and complete the course. Now as you can see in my screen, I have opened one link and there is one certification program has been opened, which is Career Essentials in Data Analysis by Microsoft and LinkedIn. This is a LinkedIn certification which is offered by Microsoft, and here Microsoft will providing you a free certification. You just need to cover all these courses which they have mentioned here, and then you have to pass on certification test. So what are the requirements to do this certification? First, you should have a LinkedIn profile. If you don't have any LinkedIn profile, please create a LinkedIn profile. Then you have to open this link. So I'll provide the link in the description area so that you can easily get this link and you can open this page. Then you have to click on start learning part button. When you click on this, it will start with this course, which is introduction to career skills in data analytics. So here you have to complete the course, and once you have completed, you will get your progress details here. Then the next course will be learning data analytics 1 foundations. So it will be a large course and it will provide you all the details about data analytics. If you are going for an entry level role, it will be best for you. Then Learning Data Analytics Part 2, Extending and Applying Core Knowledge. Here they will provide you some real world scenario. You can use your data analytics skill, and this course will also help you to clear all the interviews as well. After that, here you have to go for one examination. So you have to schedule that examination and you have to complete the examination. Once you have passed the examination, then you can get the certification. So once you have completed these 3 courses, here one button, take exam button is there. Here it will be enabled. You have to click here and you have to go for the examination, and you have to score at least 70% to get the certificate. Once you have completed the exam and successfully passed the exam, you will directly get the certification from LinkedIn and Microsoft. You can share the certification in your LinkedIn and Naukri profile, and also you can mention it in your resume so that the recruiter will find you easily and your profile will be shortlisted for the data analytics role. So that's all about today's update. It will be helpful for everyone who is looking for a data analytics opportunity. So if you want a complete roadmap of data analytics and data science as well, you can comment below. I'll create a video on it. And if you have any doubt on this video, you can comment below so that I can help you to resolve your doubt as soon as possible. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Here we will provide you job updates every day, and as well as we will provide you some certification details to clear your job as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.